right. Just you will know where we are. If not, look where we are. You know it's our favorite place. Well, so you already know where we are. Food will probably order in a minute. And good stuff.
Well, I'm already having the sound, so I guess an order of French fry would be all right.
Okay.
And can I get a little bit of white vinegar?
Yeah.
You know what for?
I know.
I'm going to
For your
teach you
salad.
something. It's not Italian, but
So,
it's
just-
English. When you have French fries,
Uh-huh.
you put white vinegar on the French fries.
Really?
You didn't know that?
No?
That's English.
Really?
Yeah,
I bring
yeah.
it. I bring
When
it.
you have
sometimes.
French fries,
Mhm.
nice and golden or good,
Mhm.
I mean, if we're talking fresh, hot, good
Right,
to go,
right.
white vinegar on the French fries.
Okay.
That's, they're going to look at me like, I'm not so sure.
Because I'm thinking it.
But that's English, yeah. My grandmother's from England, 1920.
Oh my.
Come to America as
I gotta try.
a new nurse. Yeah, that's an English thing.
Good. I gotta try.
Not Italian, but
Not Italian. I thought you want for your salad. What kind of dressing do you like for the salad?
blue cheese.
Blue cheese?
So I got the grilled chicken, and we already heard what he wanted with the chicken and the dinner with the ribs and the chicken. So that is what we're waiting on right now. So come back to you in a minute.
Take that.
Yummy, yummy. Chicken and ribs. Thank you. Here's mine. Alrighty, thank you for watching. This was King's in Martinsburg, West Virginia. King's Rotisserie Chicken. Please come down. And there's one in Inwood and one in Martinsburg. I'm not sure where the rest are, but I'm sure there's others around. Of course, see my good friend, Miss Amber. She will do you right. Of course, the whole crew will do you right. They're so sweet and kind and very nice. So, yeah, hit that subscribe button, turn notifications on. We're almost to 100 subscribers. My goal is for 1,000 subscribers, but I'm doing every 50, so we're at 69 subscribers now. So we're almost to 100, and so yeah, let's keep on going. Tell your friends and family. Hit that subscribe button, turn notifications on, comment below, and till next time, peace.